billion motherfucking views, you heard? Get a billion motherfucking views, you heard?
So what's up, y'all? Today's gonna be a busy day. I'm going to the A tomorrow for All-Star Weekend and my girls, my best cuz birthday. So y'all, I got a lot of new stuff to my wardrobe. So I'm about to pack my bag. About to pack it. I'll be using these Shein bags right here to pack my outfits in. So all my outfits and jewelry and everything can be organized. So I love those bags. Yes. So I'm about to start packing. See, I don't have nothing in here. So yeah. My daughter's room. But yes, got this unit right here, 26-inch unit. This is, I believe, 130% or 150%. So it is very natural in the thickness, as you can see. So this one is just sitting in conditioner. I just bleached the knots. So yes, y'all. Right here. So I'm letting it air dry. I get direct sunlight in my neighborhood, so letting it air dry. Air drying is the best way to do it. So yes, I'm coming back to it when it's nice and dry. Yay. It's almost done. I'm so happy. It's been taking a minute. So yes, this video will be up if you're watching this one. Y'all, as I'm getting ready to go out of town, I don't know why I feel like I'm running around with my head cut off. So I'm trying right now to make it to the nail salon to get my nails removed. Girl, got my press-ons finished, so I'm so freaking hyped. Like, you know, I was kind of iffy at first because I was like, I still had to go to her house and pick them up. So, yes, but I'm so hyped to go get them. I'm going to get 2 sets. I'm about to get my nails removed now. Like, I've been just like all over the place all day. It's already 6 o'clock. I don't even know if I got my outfits finalized. Like, I'm so hard on myself when it comes to everything. But I'm on my way to get my nails removed, y'all. And I'm gonna go pick up those nail sets. So I'm excited as fuck. Y'all, I am so hyped. Look at my press-on nails. These aren't even the custom-made ones I ordered. These are the custom ones. Match AJL's 5th year anniversary. So something slight, but super freaking cute still. I'm so in love. Like, they are so cute, y'all. Like, these are so dope. I've been wanting press-ons for so long, and these are so cute. I can't wait to put them on. We need to look that up because they be high. When I went there, yo, I slid behind somebody that's like, let them in. We was like, what? My friends had to pay like $30. So sometimes you run into people that be just like, cool, but can't always depend on that. You're not even trying to come in here. You see, I got the straight wig on. You see? Yeah. You see, I didn't want this wig, huh? Remember I told you I was trying to get my deep wig. Go get it? How How about they say it wasn't gonna be there until Monday? Oh. Like I don't. The straight is cool. No, I wanted to rock the deep
I like
way.
it though.
Yeah, it do look real nice. All right, you kicking me out now. See, I bring out my stuff. We bought all the same complexion.
Or they get chicken. You can do makeup.
I be trying. I'm not recording. Say what up.
Fuck you.
I need to eat.
Tara, where your drink? Lily, eat.
What I'm gonna eat? Y'all bring back ribs. I'm gonna eat some of it. You got some more anything?
Well, macaroni and cabbage and beans.
I'm gonna eat a macaroni and cabbage. Oh.
Don't drop my shit. What's wrong with you?
I'm trying to see. Let me see if I got it cut up.
You do, because my eyes small. How you gonna cut it?
I got scissors. I bring the whole little kit. Let me see how much I got.
I was trying to figure out why that Bobby, what is that?
That's a bobby pin. This joint keeps showing. I won't stay up. Alright, which way this go?
Don't hurt me. Because I'm dead.
You got cut off a lot.
Dad, what you trying to say? My face smell?
No, you got small eyes for you. She's jumping. This way, so I need to cut off right.
No, she told me that when she did my makeup. Lily,
You know, the tip though.
when we go on our next trip, Alicia, we're going to Vegas, right? Lily, we're going to Vegas.
When?
Alicia's birthday. July 9th. We're going to Vegas on her birthday, July 9th.
You're so childish.
You gotta put the eyeliner. You got eyeliner?
But when you cut it, John,
Yeah.
tip makeup artist told me.
Yeah.
And maybe you put the other piece on top, like the piece you cut off, you make it like full. Yeah. So like you're not wasting it. And lay it right on top.
Y'all think y'all slick, huh?
Shit, all this shit. I'll just grab it.
Yo, is this the Uber or not?
Thank you so much, man. I'll be in the back of myself. Y'all can get in the front. I'm in the back.
My shit.
I'm over there just dancing.
I'll do it tomorrow. My priority.
We're finessing out in the A.
You got kids with you.
What up, what up, what
Let's get it.
up? Hey.
Hey, happy birthday or whatever. Happy birthday or whatever or
Happy
whatever.
birthday, nigga. Happy birthday, nigga.
For the game. Or whatever.
Why you had to say it like that? Like,
Hi, everybody.
It's all in your face.
she was serious as fuck.
Not at the New Life Covenant Church, though. Not at the New Life Covenant Church, though. Like, okay. They out here with a finesse out in the A.
I said that earlier.
So Cam will live here in a couple years. They ain't gonna be a finesse, not a damn thing.
Hey.
Look, she got that shirt I couldn't fit.
I've been chiefing this L.
He's chiefing that CBD. Go ahead and say it.
Yo.
Hey.
Damn.
vlogs.
I do got it on camera too.
Hey, this
Hey, yo,
what we made.
this shit better get 1 billion motherfucking views, you heard?
No, for
We
real.
need 1 billion
It's endless
motherfucking
lip
views.
gloss on that drink.
Look at it. When somebody do this to the blunt,
Hey,
you gotta
it
whoop their ass.
unraveled.
You gotta whoop their ass.
Damn. Don't whoop her ass, really? No.
Hey, we had the church. We had the church. We
You
had the church.
got savor it. We had new like covenant church.
I ain't gonna do that. I'ma burn it though. I'ma burn this motherfucker.
Man, that bitch was sizzling.
You feel me?
Where we at? Where we at with the shit?
Do you see what I'm doing? Damn, they about to drop the beat. They drop the beat. They say, fuck out. When I got back to the telly, the comments was still going viral, and they still is. But y'all see all this nonsense or whatever.
Motherfucking ass. Do you motherfucking hear me? Give me your fucking one. That's a strong one. What's that? You get. Go ahead. I don't know why, but I want some combination of it. I got an idea. The purse. What is this? Hey, Lily.
Now, look at. I thought it was your eyelashes. Your eyelashes big.
How y'all the best? She didn't get to the full rest. We didn't even get that rest assessment. Not my shit on. I think it was you. Back to you. Come get this back. Wake your bitch ass up. Wake your ass up, Lucky Charms. What he say? I like my bitch. Come get it back. Oh, you fucked the lyrics up. Pushasi, that's my dog. But Pooh, you know I'm really.
We dancing.